checking out the snow.
I'm wearing sunglasses in the middle of winter.
Uh-huh. Okay, let's go. I gotta help children. Sabrina has the pork, right?
Yep. I'm wearing sunglasses so my eyes don't get like filled up with snow.
Okay.
They really do work.
There's the van. Ooh. Oh boy. This is the blizzard of 2010.
Yep.
Oh! Ow.
Be careful, it's really slippery over here.
We're on our way to Molly and Steve's for potluck.
Mommy.
Yep.
If you stick your foot over here on the left side,
Yep.
it'll just stay smooth. You can't even
Check the icicles out. Oh, those are nothing compared to Charles' ones on the back, huh?
Yeah. You should take a video of that thing. Huge.
Yeah.
Not even huge. It's enormous.
I wonder if you could even tell, like, it's so white out here. You can tell how much snow there is.
It's freezing out.
Yeah, I can't even see where I'm